welcome to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I'm on here because I wanted to do my Birchbox unboxing. I just uploaded, last week, my Birchbox for November, and it's kind of crazy, but my Birchbox came early for December. So that was exciting, because the one from November, yes, I uploaded late, but it came towards the end of the month, and this time Birchbox came the beginning of the month, and it came before BoxyCharm, which is unusual. So I was excited. I was happy to see it come. So anyway, if you would like to see what I received in my Birchbox for this month, then keep on watching. Okay, so Birchbox. I am very excited for this month's Birchbox. When, I was like, okay, it's Birchbox, we're gonna open it up and I'm gonna like it. But this month I was like blown away by the presentation of it. They always have a nice presentation. It's Birchbox. They always do a very nice job of that. But this month was fantastic. Now, I'm not one, it's not a deal breaker for the presentation or the look of the product. Doesn't bother me in any way, shape, or form. But I gotta give credit where credit is due, and they did a marvelous job for this month. So let's see what it looked like. So the box. So I opened it up. It came like this in the box, or in this box, and then this is the box that it came in. And I have to tell you, this box is very, very sturdy. Oops, that came out, sorry. But it is very, very sturdy. And it, you don't just take off the top. It's actually like this. And then you open it from the front and it looks like that. And then what would be inside was this, the cardboard paper. What I found really cool was this part, what this says, the saying. I thought this was just so great. So let me read to you what it says. It says, "This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking, I'm not going to say that word. It's the kicking blank and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best you required a little time with you." And then in parentheses it says, "For once, it's all about you." So that's what that saying says. I'm gonna try and get it to, there we go. So that's what that part says. And then below it again is the cardboard that you take out and has all the products on one side. But this side adds to this whole saying, and it says, "As we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month, we get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you and the year to come." And then LOBBL, the Birchbox team. So that was really, I thought that was just a really great presentation of this box, because the next time we get it, it'll be 2020, January, a new year. So I thought that was really great. And then we flipped the this cardboard over. Oh, excuse me, I can talk today, I promise. We flip this over and then it has all of the products that are in the box. So like I said, it's not their usual box. They're always sturdy and they're always nice, but this is a really, I want to do something with this box, whether it's put lipsticks in it or brushes, something. I want to do something with this box because I want to keep it, because it is just an awesome, awesome, beautiful presentation of a box. And then the tissue paper, of course, the turquoise. So let's get into what is inside the box. So let's start I'm not going to say this name. I'm just going to show you the first product is right there. And I'll list all the products that are in this box in the description below. Okay, so it says Be Gentle, Be Kind, Matcha plus Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo. Full size would be $28. So you get a set. You get the shampoo, which is this. It's a good size, sample size product. And so the full size would be $28. It says enriched with apple and matcha. So it's kind of like a serving of fruits and veggies in your shower. This sulfate-free shampoo is tough on oil and buildup, yet gentle on hair. So I'm excited to try this because you do get buildup on the hair, and I have long hair and it tends to seem to get more buildup. So I'm excited to try this. The sulfate-free is pretty good, and it's tough on oil and buildup. And because I have thick hair, I'm hoping this is going to really help with that. Okay, the next one is, I'm going to not go in order just because it's a set. So you get the shampoo, which I really am excited about, and the conditioner. So that's really good to see how they perform together. But let's read it. So full size for the conditioner is $28. So that's pretty cool that the shampoo and conditioner are the same size. Now, again, if it works, I'm okay with the price point. But again, if it's not, I can't justify buying one $28 product, let alone two. So anyway, it says, this sulfate-free conditioner hydrates and infuses hair with nourishing omega-rich fruits and veggies like kale and apple, so your hair is stronger and looks it too. So that's great. So I can't wait to try these two products. Okay, the next one is Love of Color. Okay, so it's this Love of Color. It's this stick. It's one and done. This is, okay, sorry. This is the one and done shadow stick. Champagne Problems is the name of it. And full size would be $10. And it's this waterproof shadow stick, gives up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brush, blender, or primer needed. To sharpen, use the Love of Color sharpener available on Birchbox.com. I have a sharpener, so I'm not going to worry about that. But the color champagne, it says, and you don't need anything, primer, any of that to put on the eye. So I'm going to try it without, and then I'm going to try it with when I review it. Because I've decided that I am going to review some of the products that come in these boxes because, again, the boxes are affordable, but some of the products are very expensive, and I would assume that, you know, people would want to know, is it worth it? So I will review. Okay, so let's swatch this product. So there's the champagne color. It's a pretty color. I could see myself putting it on the lid to use. So we will see, but very nice champagne-y color, especially during this time of year, the shiny champagne look. Okay, so next product would be the Oribe, which is a great brand, hair care brand. And looks like this. It's a really cool bottle for it. And it's a dry texturizing spray. Full size is $46. So that's expensive. But it says it's part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair, body, and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle to maximize lift. So I'm excited to try it. That it's partly a dry shampoo and texturizer. So you spray. So if you put this on, you're gonna have that body back after just like you would if you washed your hair. So yes. So I can't wait to try this. So we will see. Okay. The next thing is a Phase Zero blusher, and this one's in cotton candy, and a full-size blusher would be $21. And it says this silky cotton candy pink blush blends into your cheeks for a natural looking flush. Just a touch will brighten your entire face, while more gives you a luminous glow. So I have gotten a Phase Zero, not in Birchbox, but in Ipsy, and I believe it's a full size, because this one is very tiny compared to that one. So I'm assuming that one was a full size, and this one, of course, is just a sample size. And I like that blush. It's a very natural looking blush. So I have a feeling that most of their blushes are like that. But hey, I love blushes these days, so I'm excited to try this one too. So as you can see, it's a itty bitty sample size, but it's very cute. It's in the color Cotton Candy, so it's your basic pink blush. Looks like that. And let me swatch it. It is light, but for my fair skin, I think we'll be okay. So you can see it's very, very light. Let me do a little bit more. That was just a little bit. There we go. So again, natural pinky cotton candy color. So we'll see how that goes, but I am excited to try that. Okay, the last product is Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. Full size would be $48. It says this gentle acid-free peel visibly lifts off dead skin cells so you get a gorgeous glow. Massage into clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 seconds, then rinse off the solids that appear. Very interesting. So you're gonna get some slough off your face. So I'm excited to try this because I really want to see if it's gonna really help. Because like I've said it before on here that I used to get facials when I worked at a hair salon many years ago, and I got them. I think I only did a couple. 2 or 3, you would have to do a year, but I would notice such a difference in my skin. I can't even explain to you the difference. It's almost like you could see through it. It was just so, those facials, it's like you could just, it takes away everything. So I'm excited to see what this product does. So anyway, that was what was in Birchbox this month. I'm pretty happy with Birchbox. Like I said, I was going to cancel it, but I'm locked in for a full year. I have 6 more months left. And there wasn't anything wrong with Birchbox. I just wanted to try a different subscription box. But right now, especially this month, I am very, very happy with what I received and the presentation of it. I'm just very excited and blown away by Birchbox. Now, I do know that there's Birchbox in the UK, and have had people comment and say it's different than the one here in the States. So that's good to know too. I kind of wish that we all could share subscription boxes and see what everybody else gets in different countries and different places, but this doesn't happen that way. So anyway, but yes, I am very happy with the box again, and we will see how these products perform, and I will come back on here and review. I'm thinking I'm going to take a bunch of products that I have received in the past couple of months and just do a full review of those products, how I use them, if I don't use them, and how they perform. So that will be coming soon. I think that's going to be like the first of the year video, like Happy New Year kind of video, I think. So that'll be fun. But anyway, if you enjoyed this unboxing of Birchbox, please hit the thumbs up. It helps me out. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? And if you already are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and support. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.